Kia ora and welcome to this presentation. I'm your host, Kylie, and over the next 20 minutes, I'm going to provide you with a comprehensive overview of Mavie Global and its educational opportunities, which aim to connect everyone with the digital world, specifically focusing on Web3 products and services. But first, a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes to help you formulate your own opinions and criteria. Remember, your choices are your own and no liability will be taken. Throughout this presentation, our admin team will ensure that all microphones are muted to maintain focus. We'll also enable chat features periodically for engaging Q&A sessions. If at the end you'd like to know more or are interested in this opportunity, please reach out to the person who invited you here. And lastly, if you're joining us for the first time, drop a 1 in the comments and let your inviter know you're here. We love knowing that our community is growing. Ka pai. Now let's get started. Before we dive in, let me engage you with 3 questions that you can answer at the end of my presentation. Have you ever thought about how companies like Uber, Airbnb, Amazon, and Facebook have transformed entire industries without owning the assets they leverage? Can you imagine being part of a movement that's all about unbanking the masses and advocating a decentralized lifestyle? What if I told you that Mavie Global is here to bridge the gap between a decentralized and centralized world, offering a unique opportunity to invest in the future of finance? So what is Mavie Global? Just like these traditional companies we know, Mavie is the first direct selling affiliate company promoting already developed products and services in the Web3, blockchain, and crypto worlds. It's here to bridge the gap between a decentralized and centralized world. Think about how the world has evolved over time. In the past, sending mail from New Zealand to Australia took 7 days and cost around $30. But with online platforms, sending an email is free and takes just 3 seconds. Now looking at money evolution. Throughout history, money has transformed from simple barter to gold and precious metals, then metal coins, paper money, and plastic cards, each making trade more efficient. Electronic money brought quick digital transactions, and now we're in the age of cryptocurrencies redefining finance. Ultron's blockchain makes transactions super fast and affordable, aligning with our modern need for speed and efficiency. It's a remarkable journey of innovation and adaptation, reshaping how we interact with value and the financial systems. Ultron's speed and cost efficiency fit perfectly in today's fast-paced world. Mavie Global has partnered with the Ultron network, which is currently among the top 10 largest Layer 1 blockchains globally. Ultron is setting the stage for change in the industry by being the first Layer 1 blockchain with its own native coin and functioning ecosystem. In a traditional affiliate structure, the company owns the product it promotes, but with Mavie and Ultron it's different. Mavie has partnered with Ultron to promote the companies built on the Ultron network. Mavie is like Uber, hosting the vehicles and bringing the customers to the drivers. Over the past year, Mavie Global has onboarded over 300,000 members in over 120 countries. With products like Ultron staking hubs, Lotto Day NFTs, and the Flip Me crypto card, it's evident why so many people are excited about this opportunity. Mavie Global offers you the chance to invest in companies tied to the Ultron blockchain, which has already surpassed 8 million transactions. This is because of some of our existing dApps in our ecosystem. Lotto Day is part of the gaming industry and is worth trillions. FlipMe is the newest crypto banking platform backed by MasterCard, Visa, Google, and Apple Pay. It offers a seamless integration into the world of cryptocurrencies. Investing in these companies and products tied to the Ultron blockchain allows you to become a shareholder, earning commissions and daily payouts from revenue share profits. As Ben Franklin wisely said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. With only 4% of the world's population currently embracing cryptocurrencies, it's evident that widespread adoption remains a challenge. Ultron is committed to addressing this issue by simplifying the crypto landscape. As an experienced collective, they understand complex systems and are now dedicated to creating user-friendly interfaces and native applications, making crypto accessible to all. For me, after seeing this team, joining Mavie Global and becoming part of a movement that advocates for this innovative system was the icing on the cake, and I'm eating it. The Ultron team boasts an impressive track record, having contributed to renowned projects such as Polygon, Solana, Polkadot, Hyperledger, Binance, and Phantom. Some might be thinking, wow, while others may recognize these names as giants in the crypto industry. I just want to point out, Binance, which is a legally regulated exchange that provides centralized security while coexisting within a blockchain ecosystem. This just demonstrates how we cater to different preferences, offering both centralized and decentralized approaches. Let me share a personal anecdote. In 2010, I was told to buy Bitcoin when it was just around 30 cents a coin. I didn't, and today I regret it. If I had have invested just $1,000 in Bitcoin back then, it would be worth more than $35 million today. So, don't let this opportunity pass you by without considering the possibilities and getting educated. Ultron as a layer 1 blockchain uses a proof-of-stake mechanism with 11 validators who process transactions. It's a secure and scalable system. With the addition of each new dApp, more funds flow into the network, making it stronger and more profitable for everyone involved. The Ultron network is not only a financial opportunity, it's about decentralizing the system that's been in place for generations. And on the next slide, I'm going to share some examples of existing blockchains that started here where we are today. Let's start with ETH, or Ethereum, which started at around 30 cents and now hosts over 850 dApps with a coin value of over $1,600. Binance started at just 9 cents and is now worth over $300. Cardano, which started at 1 cent, is worth over $1 today. Now Ultron is right on par, if not excelling, in this direction, and it's one of the top cryptocurrencies on the market today. So how do you partner with Mavie and get involved in these digital assets? Right now, there's a target of 100 million people to become partners around the world, which opens up exciting opportunities for everyone, everywhere. By purchasing Lotto Day Gaming Hub NFTs, you get multiplier options that determine your profits. These are options ranging from $100 to $30,000 and even limited edition NFTs. These investments have the potential for great returns as Ultron expands its network. Now I will mention we are in stage 5 of the pre-sale with Lotto Day, which means you will only get a 30% match in RSP, which are revenue share points, as we're about to launch this platform, and those that got in earlier than you and I are among the first investors to start seeing returns paid out this month. Still, it's a very worthwhile investment given the gaming market value is in the billions. Ultron staking hubs are like savings account for your Ultron coins. When you lock up your ULX coins, it helps keep the network secure, and as a thank you, you get more ULX coins as a reward. These hubs are super important for making the Ultron blockchain work smoothly. It's a bit like teamwork. Now let's take a glance at this comparison, which offers insights into your financial roadmap. The green represents Mavie profit because our assets come with a unique feature known as staking, functioning much like compounding interest. In simpler terms, your interest earns interest, which steadily builds your wealth over time. On the flip side, the red zone pertains to individuals acquiring ULX coins externally, typically through exchanges at market rates. When you engage with our NFTs and hubs, your earnings are in ULX coins or Ultron coins, and these accumulate daily. Ultron's tokenomics are designed to support its growth and user rewards. Audited by Certic and secured by Chainlink, it allocates 8% to the developers team, 55% to the project, 25% to the community treasury, and 4% to its validators. Now, this allocation ensures the company's long-term commitment and stability. The developers have even extended their stake lock to show dedication to the project. FlipMe, the newest banking platform to hit the scene, offers you the chance to spend your ULX coins wherever MasterCard or Visa is accepted. It's a bridge between the financial world and the crypto space. Backed by MasterCard, Visa, Google, and Apple Pay, it's a game changer for the industry. And as of today, 99% of the world have missed 3 founder-level opportunities to invest in Layer 1 blockchains, like Binance, Solana, and Ethereum. Ultron has already shown immense growth and potential, so it's an investment that you don't want to miss. Lotto Day and FlipMe are only 2 of the 1,000 opportunities you will get as an early adopter with Mavie Global and the Ultron network. In conclusion, what you've seen today is a golden opportunity. Mavie Global and the Ultron network offer a chance to reshape the way we interact with money, investing, and the financial system. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but an invitation to consider a future with limitless possibilities. If you'd like to have a look at the potential, make sure to visit the official websites and play around with the calculators to give you an idea of your return on investment. And as you consider your options, remember that the crypto world is evolving rapidly. Making the right investment now can make a big difference in the future. So we've covered Ultron's journey, upcoming developments, and how you can be a part of this exciting financial revolution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of crypto and blockchain technology. If you're ready to embark on this journey, get in touch with the person who invited you and ask for their link. Lastly, take a screenshot. Here are the details so that you can visit the official websites for Mavie, Lotto Day, and Ultron. Make sure to check out the calculators where you can play around with your return on investment. Thank you for joining me. I hope you got some good insight into the world of crypto, Mavie Global, and the Ultron network. I hope to see you all on board, and if you'd like to hear more, get in touch with me.